have to learn something, that is what do you mean by earlier and what do you mean by later. Is it right? No. Before going to that, we have recall something. Is it right? What is that? The sun rises in the, when the sun will be rises? Evening or either morning? That is morning. Is it right? The sun rises in the morning. Next, we go to the school. When we are going to the school? Evening, again the morning. Again, morning. Is it right? Next, when we are going for the play? We will go for the play after the school hours. Is it right? No. That is morning or again evening? Evening. Is it right? No. When we are going for the lunch, that is in the noon time. Is it right? Now we are coming to this one. How many types this one is there? Morning, evening, again noon. Is it right? Let us, in this class, we are going to learn something that is called as earlier and later. Is it right? I'll say something for you now. We wake up in the morning, then we brush our teeth. After brush our teeth, we go for breakfast. After the breakfast, what we are doing? We will go for school. After the school, lunch break is there. We will eat a lunch. After the lunch break, some classes is going on. After the classes, what we are going to do? We are going to do is a playing. Is it right? After playing, we will come to home. Is it right? No. This is a routine work of a student. Is it right? No. Now, listen here. Morning we will be wake up. Is it right? No. Later. Afternoon what we are doing? That is lunch. This is called as earlier. This is called as later. Earlier we are going for the taking bath or brushing or wake up. After that, that is later. Later we go for the lunch. Is it right? No. That is, this is earlier. Lunch is later. Here two words we are using, earlier and later. Is it right? No. Listen dear students. Earlier and later. You know the meaning of earlier and later. Is it right? No. Come to the page number 12. That is mathematics first standard. Is it right? No. See there, earlier and later the word two are there. In the given picture, they are given examples. Is it right? So many examples they are given. They are given the pair examples. You have to tick which one is earlier, then which one is later. Only you have to tick earlier. Is it right? No. See, first pair, one girl is bathing, three boys are girls, are students, are children, they are playing. Is it right? No. Which one is earlier? That is a girl bathing is an earlier. Is it right? Come to a second pair, that is a B. One girl is cycling, second girl is just wake up by the bed. Is it right? No. The sun is there. Is it right? First one is earlier is there. For that earlier, cycling is earlier or wake up is earlier. Wake up girl is earlier. That is second one. Next come to the C part. That is one boy is on the bed, sleeping on the bed. Again, a pair of that is a teacher near the board, standing near the board. Some students are sitting in front of the teacher. Is it right? No. When we are sitting in front of the teacher after wake up. Is it right? After wake up means still the boy is on the bed. That is called earlier. Next come to the D part. Come to the D part means one boy still near the bed. One boy is drinking a milk. Which one is earlier? Near the bed, the boy is an earlier. Is it right? No. Next come to the E pair. That is one boy is brushing our teeth. Next one boy is open the book and reading and the chair. Is it right? No. Which one is earlier? That is a brushing boy is earlier. Come to a second example. You have to write in that pictures. That is earlier and later. Is it right? No. Further, they are given some dashes, means the fill in the blanks below the picture. You have to write that is which one is earlier, which one is later. First one they are given the examples. Come to your second one. So many students are playing in the playground. Second one, paragraph that is two, one boy and one girl coming out from the school. Which one is earlier, which one is later? Coming out from the school, the two boys is an earlier, or the boys, so many students are playing in the park. That is first one. Playing in the park is earlier. After playing in the park, they are go to home. Is it right? That is later. Next, come to a C pair. That is one girl is on the bed. Again, one more boy is playing with toy or some animal. Is it right? No. When they are going for the playing after the school hours or from the bed. Is it right? First one, earlier is the girl is on the bed. Second, that is later. Understood, right? Later, we move on to a parts of the day. Is it right? No. What do you mean by the parts of the day? So many parts are there. In the recall section, that is in the beginning section, we told that morning, evening, noon. These are all the parts of the day. We are going to write this in the number. How many hours in a day? How many hours in a day? 24 hours. 24 hours per one day. Is it right? That is 12 hours in the night, 12 hours, 12 plus 2, 12 hours in the night, 12 hours in the daytime. Is it right? No. Come to here. A number line is there. For this, here start from 1 and with 12. Again start from 1 and with 12. Is it right? This is midday. Midnight. Is it right? Then this one is also called as midnight. Next, come to this 12 and 1. What do you call for this? Afternoon. That is called as afternoon. Or you can say this is midday. Midday. Is it right? No. From 1 to 12, what do you call for this? From here to here, what do you call for this one? This is called as morning. Is it right? Again, afternoon. From the afternoon to midnight, what do you call for this? From here to here, it is evening. Only evening is there. After going to the home, you will call as evening. After the evening, what is there in the dark night? That is called as night. Is it right? No. Now listen. Midnight, midday, again midnight. Between the afternoon and the midnight, what do you call for this? This is morning. Again, afternoon, between that midnight, you will say that is evening and then night. Is it right? No. One more thing you will say this is AM and this is PM. Is it right? No. Understood, right? Open the page number 14. In that they are given some activities. Just listen. First activity they are done for you. Waking up. When is a part of the day you have to write. First they are given activity, first column. Second column they are given part of the day. That is when we are doing that activity, or that activity belongs to which part of the day. Is it right? No. How many parts is there? Morning, evening, afternoon. That is midday, midnight, again midnight. Is it right? See, waking up. When we are going to waking up, is it afternoon or the morning? Morning. Is it right? That is, you will say the early morning. Brushing our teeth. Morning and at night also. Is it right? Next, many activities with classmates. When you will be with the classmates, Night or the daytime? Daytime itself. Is it right? We'll say the afternoon also. Doing homework. When you are going to do the homework, evening or night? Some people are doing morning, some people are doing night, some people are doing in the evening. Is it right? That is your possibilities. You are going to fill that one. Going to bed, night or morning? Night itself. Is it right? No. Come to second activity. We have to do that one as per the activity. Is it right? Complete this table of your activities. First, I take a bath and get dressed for the school. When you are taking a bath, morning itself. When you are getting the dress after the bath, is it right? No. That is in the morning. You can write early morning also. Next, I have my breakfast. When you are going to have a breakfast, that is in the morning. Again, I go to school. Same morning. I have much lunch or I have my lunch. Is it right? When you are going to do the lunch or have a lunch, afternoon. Is it right? No. Afternoon. I go to play with my friends. When you are going to play, in a PE period also you are going to play. They are asking for when all the classes are going to play after the school hours, that is in the evening. Is it right? You can able to write the PE period also. Is it right? No. Next, I have my dinner. When you are going to have a dinner? Morning you are having a breakfast. Is it right? Afternoon, lunch. Dinner at night. Is it right? One more activity they are given for you and the textbook only. Some boxes they are given and some pictures are given. You have to arrange as in ascending order. First, which activity you are going to do. See, first activity they done for you. What is that? Cutting vegetables, cutting is there. Later, washing vegetables is there. Later, cooking vegetables. Later, washing the vegetables with some powdering chemicals or some powdering salts. Is it right? First one is washing vegetables. Later you are going to cut a vegetables. Later you have to soak some vegetables with water with a salt. Later you have to wash all those things and put in for a cooking. Is it right? No. Come to the next B point. They are given one boy is sitting in front of a dining table. Some dinner is there or some lunch is there. Second picture, that is one boy is on the bed. Third picture, a boy sitting on the table, sitting near the table, some books is on the table. He is, that means it is a reading or writing something. One more, brushing his teeth. Is it right? Which one is first activity? By the morning, what we are going to do? That is wake up. That is the boy is wake up on the bed. That is first one. Understood, right? Next, brushing our teeth. That is a boy is brushing his teeth. After that, he has to go for breakfast. Later breakfast, he go for reading. Is it right? Listen, dear students. This is called as earlier and later. Which one you are doing the first? That is called as earlier. After that, what you are doing the activity that is called as a later. Is it right? No. Only that is earlier and later. Between that, you are going for three items, that is morning, evening and noon. Again the night is there. Understood? No? Later we move on to same activity in the workbook. Okay? Thank you, dear children.